Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2, chapter number 14, exercise 14b, that is about the complement of set. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand, that what is the meaning and symbol of universal, subset, symbol of union and the concept of union, intersection. Union means all and intersection means the common elements only. Complement, in order to understand the complement means the difference from the universal or the remaining elements of universal. If you find any difficulty in understanding the basic concepts, language and notations, I'll give the lesson in the description box. You have to watch that lesson, because for better understanding of lessons of mathematics, it's really important to integrate the new lesson with the previous lesson. Let me move to question number 1, basic level. Question 1 says that if universal contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 till 20, then set A is the set which is the element in which we have the elements which are the multiples of 2. In set B, we have to write multiples of 4. In set C, we have to write multiples of 3. And the requirement of the question is that we have to list the elements of the following sets: set A, B, C, and A complement, B complement, and C complement. So let's quickly move to the solution of the question. As we know that universal is the set of positive natural numbers which are starting from 1 and ending at 20, and whatever the elements of subsets we have to take those all elements from the universal. So set A will be equal to, which is a multiple of 2 and multiple of 2 from this universal. That is, we have to read the table of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then 14, 16, 18, and 20. These are the multiples of 2, and we have written set A, and this is the first part of the question. Let me mark A here. And then coming to set B, which is the second requirement of the question. And in set B, I have to pick up multiples of 4 from the given universal. So set B will consist of 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Very easy questions. You should just have the command on the tables and types of numbers. Okay, and coming to the third part, that is, we have to write the elements of set C, and set C is the set of multiples of 3. So the multiples of 3 will be 3, 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, and 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, and then I have to close the bracket. Very easy question. And now I have to move towards the calculation of A complement, B complement, and C complement. Let me draw the line here, okay, so that there has to be no misunderstanding. Okay, now A complement. Recall the concept of the complement, that this is D part and I need to find A complement, and the formula for the A complement is universal minus A. Universal minus A. Now what I have to do, I have to write elements of universal, that is first positive natural numbers 1, 2, 3 till 20, and set A is consisting of multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I can write the last element. Now what will be the answer of A complement? I do not have to write those elements which are present in universal and set A, or I have to write the remaining elements of universal. So 2, 4, 6 multiples of 2 are coming at both places, so I'm going to exclude them, and A complement will consist of 1, then I do not have to write 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and then 13, then 15, then 17, and then 19. I hope you are clear about A complement. And now let me go to the next part of the question, which is E part, and that is the B complement. Again, it's always good to write down the formula so that examiner can understand you're working easily. Universal minus B. Now what I have to do, first of all, I have to write elements of universal, and they are 1, 2, 3, so on until 20, and minus elements of B, which are multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Then what I have to do, I have to leave all those elements which are in set B in B complement. Okay, now it means that my answer of B complement will begin from 1. It will have 2, it will have 3, but 4 is coming in B, so I'm not going to write that. Then 5, 6, and 7, then I'm not going to write 8, 9, 10, 11, I have to leave 12, then 13, 14, 15, then we do not have to write 16, then 17, 18, and 19, because 20 is present in both. Really easy questions. And now let me quickly move to the last part of the question, F part, and that is that we have to calculate C complement, and the definition and the formula for the complement is that universal minus that set. Now what I have to do, I have to write the elements of universal, and universal is containing 1, 2, 3 till 20, first positive 20 natural numbers, minus C, which is the multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 12, then 15 and 18. So what I have to do in the complement, what I will be doing, I will be discarding multiples of 3, and C complement will consist of 1, 2, then leave 3, then 4, 5, and 6 will not be coming, 7, 8, and 9 will not be coming, 10, 11, 12 will not be coming, 13, 14, 15, I do not have to write, 16, 17, then I have to skip 18, 19, and 20. Really easy question and an important part of your CIE examination as well. Let's move to question number 2, and let me read and check the question from the book. Question 2 says universal consists of the numbers 30, 31, 32, 33, and so on till 45. These numbers from 30 till 45, they are the continuous numbers, and list the complements of A, B, and first of all, C, D, and E, they are not written in elements form. So it's better to write the set C, D, and E with their elements. So the set C is the non-prime numbers. So I have to pick up the non-prime numbers from this universal. So first non-prime number in the universal is 30, then 32, then 33, then 34, then 35, then 36, then 37 is the prime number. So I do not have to take that because I have to pick up non-prime, then 38, then 39, then 40, then 41, 42, 43 I have to leave, 44, and 45. Then coming to set D, set D is the set of multiples of 4. So multiples of 4, the first multiple of 4 will be 32. 4 8s are 32. After 32, 33, 34, 35, then not the multiples of 4, 36, then 37, 38, 39, 40 is the multiple of 4, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44. So set D will contain the elements 32, 36, 40 and 44, and in set E I have to write multiples of 3. So the first number that will be coming in set E will be 30, then 31, 32, 33, 34, 36 is a multiple of 3, 37, 38, 39, then 40, 41, no, 42, 42, 43, 44, 44 is not the multiple of 3, and then 45. So the first task is done, that I have written the elements of set D, E and E with their numbers. Now I have to go for the complements. The first part is that I have to find the complement of A. So A complement will be equal to universal minus A. So what I will be doing for A complement, this is universal, is consisting of 30, then 31, 32, so on, and the last element is the 45, and then I have to write elements of A, and A is having the elements 33, 37, 39, 42 and 44, and close the bracket. So A complement, so 30 is not in set A, so 30, 31, 31, 32, then I have to skip 33, then 34, 35, 36, then I have to skip 37, 38, then I have to skip 39, then 40, then 41, I have to skip 42, 43, then I have to skip 44 and 45. I hope these are the elements which will be coming in A complement. Now let's quickly move to B complement. Okay, let me draw the line here. Okay, and B complement will be equal to B complement. Formula for the B complement is universal minus B. Okay, it's always good to write down the formula because that helps the examiner to understand your working. Universal is consisting of the elements 30, 31, 32, so on, and 45 minus elements of set B, and set B is containing the elements 30, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, then we do not have 35 here, 36, 37, 37, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and 45, and close the bracket. So the B complement will have the elements, okay, 30 is coming in both, so I will not write 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. First element that will be coming here will be 35. Then I have to skip 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 I have to skip, 41 I have to skip, 42 I have to skip. Then I have to write 43, 43 and 44. Okay, I will be continuing for C complement, D complement and E complement. I'll be moving to the next page and I'll be completing the question over here. Okay, let me write the set C complement. We have to find C complement, and C complement, the formula is universal minus C, universal minus C. Now what I have to do, I have to write the elements of universal. Universal is containing the elements 30, 31, 31, 32, so on till 45 minus C, and C is having the elements non-prime numbers. So 30, 32, 33 non-prime, then 34, then 35, then 36 non-prime, then 37 I have to skip, then 38, then 39, then 40, then 41 I have to skip, then 42, and then 43 I have to skip, 44 and 45. Now what we have to do, in order to get the answer of the complement, I have to write the remaining elements of universal. So if we look at both the sets, we can see 30 is coming at both places. So C complement will begin with 31, then 32 will not be coming, 33, 34, 35, 36. So after that 37 will be the first element that will be coming, 38, 39, 40 will not be coming, 41, 41, 42, 43, 43, 44 and 45 are present at both the places. So C complement will have the elements 31, 37, 41 and 43. I hope you are clear about this part. And then the next part is, this was C part of the question. And now let me move to D part of the question, and that is D complement. D complement is universal minus D, universal minus D. Now what I have to do, I have to take away the elements of D from universal, and universal is consisting of elements 30, 31, 32, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. And D is the set which is consisting of the multiples of 4. So the multiple of 4 from the universal is, again I have to check it and then I'll confirm it with the previous page. The 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40 and 4 11s are 44. So let me once again recheck the elements are correct. Now what I have to do, I have to write the elements here 32, 36, then 40 and 44. Now the complement will be the set of the remaining elements of universal. So I have to discard 32, 36, 40 and 44. So the universal will contain 30, 31, 33, 34, 35. Then I have to skip 36, 37, 38, 39. Then we have to skip 40, 41, 42, 43. Then I have to skip 44. Then the last element will be 45 in D complement. I hope you are clear about this part. And let's quickly move to E part of the question, that is E complement. E complement will be equal to universal minus E. And now quickly we have to place the elements of universal. The universal is starting from 30. Okay, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45 minus, and E is multiples of 3. So I have to identify the multiples of 3. That is 30 is the multiple of 3, 33, then 36, then 39, then 4 plus 2, 6, 42, and then 45. Then the question will take the form 30, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, and 45. Now, E complement will contain the remaining elements of universal. So, we are going to discard these elements which are common in both, like 30 is present in both. So, complement will start with 31, 32, then I have to discard 33, then 34, 35, then discard 36, 37, 38, and then 40, then 41, then I have to discard 42, then 43, then 44, and I will not be writing 45 because that is present in both. Okay, I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share, and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.